Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Last Friday, Nvidia shares fell 10%, driving the entire technology sector down. Among them, semiconductors fell by 6.67% and semiconductor equipment fell by 2.9%. Software infrastructure fell by 1.27%, software applications fell by 1.23%, computer hardware fell by 6.04%, and consumer electronics fell by 1.2%. In the semiconductor field, TSMC fell by 3.46%, AMD fell by 5.44%, Qualcomm fell by 2.36%, and Intel fell by 2.4%. Why did technology stocks collectively fall sharply? The answer is that it rose too much before. Up until this month, AI stocks had skyrocketed this year on blowout growth and excitement for the breakthrough technology. At one point, Nvidia stock had nearly doubled year-to-date, following another blockbuster earnings report in February, and its market cap topped $2 trillion. However, as this week's sell-off indicates, much of those gains were primarily driven by sentiment and a fear of missing out on the AI boom. When stocks have already made gains of several 100% like Nvidia and Supermicro have, it doesn't take much for those gains to unwind, and that seems to be what's happening here. A negative piece of news causes a little bit of selling, which leads to a flood as investors race to lock in profits before a potential bubble burst. We have seen that the trading volume of Nvidia stock and semiconductor sectors has increased significantly. The large number of selling and taking orders cannot currently prove whether the sector will rebound or continue to fall, but I am more inclined to differentiate. In other words, from a technical point of view, some stocks will fall, some stocks will start to rebound slightly, and Nvidia is likely to rebound slightly. But in the long run, Nvidia is facing some competitive pressure. Nvidia is facing increased competition from AMD and Intel, both of which recently introduced new, more powerful AI chips of their own. Even Nvidia's own customers don't want to be so reliant upon the chipmaker for the AI semiconductor needs. Google recently developed the Axion chip, which it maintains is not a competitor to Nvidia and only seeks to grow the size of the pie. Amazon recently built its Trainium and Inferentia chips, though the e-commerce giant also extended its partnership with Nvidia. Amazon Web Services was the first outfit to run the chipmaker's GH200 Grace Hopper multi-chip product. However, Microsoft has also developed its own AI chip. The need for quite so many Nvidia chips might not be as pressing. The second quarter earnings season has just begun. Paying close attention to these reports will be key to determining whether Nvidia can distance itself from its rivals. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that subscribe and bell button, and we will see you all on the next one.